Hello, it's Paul. This FNA is from the left breast of a 42-year-old female, and the clinical notes were a typical cyst. See what you think of it. So what do you reckon? It was a really super cellular specimen, lots and lots of epithelial cells. Background was a bit messy, like it had debris in it, not particularly filled with foam cells or anything, but the epithelial cells were in groups, some of them really, really large, that appeared organized. The cells were uniform, and it appeared to have a bimodal pattern. Some of the cell areas, particularly that I showed you towards the end, showed really complex folding of the groups and some fibrovascular cores. There was epithelial palisading along the edges of the groups, showing a sort of darker outline to those groups. One of them even looked like a kitten, I thought. So this looked like pretty classic papillary lesion. It was reported as a category 3 atypical, consistent with a papillary lesion, and excisional biopsy was recommended. So papillary lesions in the breast are seen in papilloma, atypical papilloma, fibrocystic change of multiple small papillomas, and in papillary carcinoma. Although often, as was the case in this case, the cytology is quite benign looking, like a papilloma, it's unreliable in excluding more worrying neoplasm. Sometimes these can appear quite benign, but show areas of carcinoma in situ. On the other hand, infarcted papillomas can present quite a worrying picture with loss of cohesion, nasty background, sometimes some atypia. Finally, it's important not to overinterpret pseudopapillary arrangements. These can be seen in fibroadenoma, and also sometimes you can get conditions where you get a perithelioma arrangement. For example, granulation tissue can do that sometimes with histiocytes, and also malignant melanoma can produce that pattern as well, which can mimic a papillary arrangement with a fibrovascular core. So, thanks for watching.